Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we will learn how to download and install Java and NetBeans together. The first thing that you need to go to visit two websites. So the first website, you need to download Java first. So you're going to visit Java download website from this website, the Oracles. So this is the website where you download it. You scroll down in the page, you find Java SE Development Kit 8, which is 1.8. And scroll down if you are using Windows, you have to scroll down to the Windows version. So this is Windows 86 with 32-bit, and this is worth for Windows 64. If you have Windows 32-bit, you download this link. If you have 64-bit, you need to download this link. Now, what you can do is that click on the download, okay? Just agree on the condition and click on the download. Now the download will start, okay? The download will start immediately. After that, if you click in download, it may ask you for login, okay? It may ask you for login. If you ask you for login, just go and log in, and that should be fine. I have already downloaded Windows, okay, and saved it in my GDK and saved it in my computer. And now I'm gonna go and download GDK. When you open this, we're gonna download NetBeans 8.2. Don't download the NetBeans with Apache. Just download the NetBeans itself. And now you have different, bundles for it. So we need to download only the Java SDE. Okay. If you want to download a full one for the future, you may be taking other languages. You just download the complete one. Okay. Download the complete one. For now, I'm just gonna go and download what? And download this one. This one does not contain Apache, does not contain any server. It just contains Java and NetBeans and Java Apex. So I'm gonna download this one. Okay, I'm gonna go for the full one myself. So I'm gonna go download just in case I need it in the future. Okay, and wait for a while. Start downloading here. You can see that. I'll start downloading. Wait for it to finish, and then we can continue after that. Okay, I guess we have downloaded the source software. I think I saved them here in the software folder. I download Java, UDK, and then after that I download the GDK. I download the GDK 64-bit. I have Windows 64, and then I download NetBeans 8.2. So the first thing I need to know is to install the GDK. So double click on this one, and then you can click yes. Okay, that will start, installing Java. So click yes. Now it will start installing Java. I'm gonna have to install it in a specific folder. And just continue, leave the same folder. If you have Java before, that's fine, it will fix it for you and will do it. Let's see then just click on next, and then if you want to change the folder, just change it. I'll just keep it the same. All right, so and then you say next, and that will start. Okay, I have Java already, so I'm gonna have to somehow wait for it to finish. It will take some time. Okay, when it's finished, when you finish installing Java, you can go to the folder, and you can see on the C. If you go to C, go to Java folder, look at Java folder somewhere in the program files probably. Yeah, you can find Java files, and this is the new one, the latest one I have installed. So I have more than one version. So I am using this one. So this is the Java, okay, and this is the main directory bin. So what I do, click here, just one click. If you are here, just click on the and copy the path. Right click and copy the path. Why do I need to copy the path? to make Java work from anywhere. You don't have to come to this folder in order to use Java. So you can set up Java environment. How would we set up that? We go to the desktop, right click on the my computer, go to the property, or you can go to the setting. It will take you to the same screen, advanced system setting, and then you go to the environmental variable. Okay, now you need to set up a path for you, the system variable. You see the system variable here. You need to create a new one. Okay, a new one called Java underscore home, and the value that you copy the path from where Java is installed, and you say okay. Okay, and that will create here a Java home. You can see that folder is already created. You see that I already previously created this one. And then after that you have to scroll down and find something called path. This is for Windows 10. Okay, path, you go edit. Okay, and then you add new one. Okay, and you paste the link that you copy from Java here. Okay, I have already pasted it before, and you can see it is somewhere here. I already pasted it before. It's right here, and you click OK, and then you click OK, and that will make Java work from any folder, from any directory. So if you go use CMD, for example, if you run CMD, if you go CMD and you write Java version, for example, that will give you the Java version. Okay, and this is, sorry, nothing else. Just type Java and click. Okay, that will give you, if this screen appear to you, that means you install it successfully. Okay, that means Java is successfully installed and could work from anywhere. If you did not install Java to run everywhere, okay, you will not get this screen. So if in order to run the program, you have to go to CD, program file, and then CD Java, and then CD bin, CD bin, CD, let's make sure what is going on. Yeah, CD GDK 1.8, yes, 1.8, and then CD bin. So you have to come here and install Java, and you have to save your program here in order to use Java here. Okay, Java C for some program, or Java, or whatever we learn for compiling and finding the errors if you are using CMD. Okay, so to avoid that, just do the environmental variable setting where we use here in the environmental variable, and install two things: Java home, okay, and which contain the path where Java installed, and also add this path to the main path by using this. It will be somewhere here, Java. Yeah, this is Java, I'm using it. And then you click OK, and this will work from where. After you install Java, we have to install what? NetBeans. To install NetBeans, that's very simple. Okay, I'm going to close the screen, I don't need it now. To install NetBeans, we go back to the folder where we have the NetBeans. Okay, I'm going to go back to where the software is already. This is the software, and just click on the NetBeans. Okay, and you say next, and just follow the instruction, say yes. Okay, now it will start configuring the installation. It will start looking for Java and see where Java installed in order to install it, and it will take some time. After you finish, okay, Java, now NetBeans will be ready for you. Now I'll give you some options. I have downloaded the full NetBeans. Okay, it will now collect some data or information about your Java. So this is the information found. He found Java SE is already installed, Java EE installed. I have a lot of Java is already installed in my computer. if you install Java C, it will tell you that this is installed, and then you can say I have already installed it, so the NetBeans is already installed. I don't need to install it, okay? But for you, if this screen appeared to you that Java SE is already installed, then you are okay, and then you click next, 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 next until finish. Now, when you finish, you just run the NetBeans. When you run it the first time, NetBeans, when you run it the first time, you will see like the startup screen without any project, and that should be fine. It will take some time to run the NetBeans because I have the full version that support all the language and all the servers. And after that, I think everything should be working fine. If you face any problem, okay, try to uninstall the NetBeans. Make sure Java is installed as we describe in the steps, and then reinstall the NetBeans. I hope that help you, and I hope you will not have any problem saving. If you have any problem, you can just drop me a message, and I'm happy to help you. You can see that NetBeans is started. I already have a project. You will have the startup screen. You can create a new project and click on File, a new project, and so on. So the startup screen will show you something like this: how to make Java, how to start Java, and so on. You can take a tour and learn something about using the NetBeans. You can make this one smaller, okay, and you can start new application by new project, and make sure to choose what, make sure to choose Java application. If you did not install Java, it will not work for you, okay. It should not, the next screen will not appear for you, okay. You can make sure which Java is using by going to the tools and go to the options, okay. And you can see that there's a lot of Java here, and you can see the Java. Yes. So basically, you can see that I have a lot of Javas here installed already. It's already active. Okay, I have many things installed. Now this is the Java platform I'm using, GDK 1.8. If you want to change it or you update a new Java, you can say manage platform and choose new Java from where the where your computer saved that Java. It is very important. If you get 1.9 and so on, you can just update it from the same program. Okay. Now, if you install that, if you have Java already, no need to go and manage the platform. This is enough for today. I hope that should be a work for you.